Hi everyone, my name is Miss Chaney and I'm so excited to be teaching another math lesson with you guys today. I hope you guys are watching and you are continuing to grow your brain as we work through T numbers. I have received some pictures and I would love to see more pictures for your engagement progress for this week. So don't forget to send as much as you can to Miss Chaney. Alrighty, well let's jump in. First thing we do, we're going to get centered. So let's go ahead and close our eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last one. Breathe in. Breathe out. Alrighty, friends. Now let's open our eyes. Now let's make sure we focus our attention. And the best way to do that is to make sure that our ears are listening, our eyes are watching, our voice is quiet, and our body is still. Give me 2 thumbs up if you're ready to rock and roll. Alrighty, friends. So, again, today's lesson is going to be fairly short just because we would regularly be taking our mid-module assessment. So Miss Chaney has kind of condensed what you would be taking in the assessment and transformed it and made it into a lesson every day this week. So let's go ahead and get ready for our fluencies. Get it ready, get it ready, get it ready. Get it ready, get it ready. All right, we're going to start count at 1. All the way to 20. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3. 10, 1, 10, 2, 12, 10, 3, 13, 10, 4, 14, good. 10, 5, 15, 10, 6, 16, 10, 7, 17, 10, 8, 18, 10, 9, 19, 10, 10, 20. Great job, friends. Now we're going to do another fluency that's going to be talking about more. So I'm going to say 16, one more is 17. Parents, if you would like, it would be a great idea for you to pause this video and then to make a quick number line. Literally, you would start at 0 and then go all the way to 20 on a number line. This would just give your scholar extra access to practice what it does look like for T numbers to increase by 1. So if you would love to, go ahead and pause this video. If not, keep rocking and rolling with me. All right. 12, one more is 13. 14, one more is 15. 17, one more is 18. 19, one more is 20. 10, one more is 11. Sorry, I'll do that again. 10, one more is 11. 9, one more is 10. 5, one more is 6 without the fingers. 11, one more is 12. 18, one more is 19. Great job. 15, one more is 16. Great job. 12, one more is 13. 1, one more is 2. 4, one more is 5. Alrighty, friends, now we're going to jump into our application problem. Go ahead and put your hands behind your ears and let's wiggle, 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 wiggle. Please make sure that your ears are listening and your eyes are watching to Miss Chaney's application problem. Miss Chaney has 5 water bottles. How many water bottles does Miss Chaney have? 5. Great job. Miss Chaney has 5 water bottles. Miss Ribeiro has 10 water bottles. Your job is to figure out how many water bottles do Miss Chaney and Miss Ribeiro have all together. I'm going to read it again before I say go. Miss Chaney has 5 water bottles. How many water bottles does Miss Chaney have? 5. Great job. Miss Chaney has 5 water bottles. Miss Ribeiro has 10 water bottles. How many water bottles do Miss Chaney and Miss Ribeiro have all together? When I say go, I want to see a picture that is labeled, and I want to see 2 inverse equations, and I want to see a number bond. 1 minute, 30 seconds, go. My timer is going. Great job to friends who are working really, really hard to make their picture. Great job to friends who are labeling, and it is neat. The circles are in a 10 frame way. I don't want circles that are big and then are small. Great job to friends who have already started writing their inverse equations. Great job to friends who have their number bond. Please make sure you go back and you check your picture. Chaney loves drinking water. You guys know that. For Miss Chaney's class, no, I'm not going to finish all this water. I usually do, but I'm not. Maybe I will at the end. We'll see. Great job. Got about 20 seconds left. Great job. I want a picture. I want it labeled. I want number bond. I want 2 inverse equations. You have about 10 seconds left. If at any time I'm going way too fast, please feel free to pause the video just to make sure that your scholar can be their best selves. Alrighty, there's my timer. Alrighty, friends, so this is what your picture should look like. Wait, pause. Before I show you my answers, I want to see yours. Let me see. Raise them up, raise them up. Great job to friends who have a very neat picture. I like how you labeled it 5 and then 10 for Miss Chaney and then Miss Ribeiro. Great job. Great job to friends who have their inverse equations. I really like that. You have your number bond. Great job. This is what Miss Chaney's looks like. So Miss Chaney has hers labeled Miss, and then for Chaney, CH, that blend, ha ha ha, and then Miss Ribeiro's as 10. So Miss Chaney labeled it. She went on to her inverse equation. So she has 5 plus 10 equals 15. Then she has 10 plus 5 equals 15. And then you can also see the number bond that Miss Chaney has right here. 15 is 5 and 10. 5 and 10 is 15. Alrighty, so when you add them all together, the number makes 15. Alrighty, friends, now we're going to move on quickly and swiftly to our concept development. Now with this, you guys are going to count the objects, and then you have to add one more. Alrighty, so you have to count the objects, and you have to add one more. I'm going to give you time. I'm going to give you time to count. You need to tell me the answer, and then I'll ask you one more. Alrighty. See. Alrighty, so count these. Remember our shortcut, 5 up top, 5 on the bottom, that's 10. If you have 5 over here, that's 15. Alrighty, when I snap my fingers, that's when you tell me the number that is on the paper. 15, great job. 15, one more is 16. Great job. Next one, count the hearts, count the hearts, count the hearts. Miss Chaney's hearts are very sloppy. She couldn't really figure out how to make great hearts, so sorry. Count the hearts, count the hearts, count the hearts. When I snap my fingers, you tell me how many hearts you see. 12. Great job. 12. One more is 13. Great job. Count it, count it, count it, count it, count it. Count it, count it, count it, count it, count it. How many do you see? 17. How many do you see? 17. 17. One more is 18. Great job, friends. Also, if you would like to, it's also a great idea to pause this and then write the numbers down, just because it's giving you more practice with writing your T numbers. Alrighty, count it, count it, count it, count it, count it. Don't forget our shortcut, 5, 10. How many do you see? 19. How many do you see? 19. 19. One more is 20. Great job. Let's move on. How many do you see? How many do you see? How many do you see? Count it, count it, count it. How many do you see? 16. 16, one more is 17. Great job. This one. How many do you see? 14. Great job. 14, one more is 15. Great job. My last one. Count it, count it. How many do you see? 13. 13, one more is 14. Great job. Last one. How many stars do you see? 11. Great job. 11, one more is 12. Great job. Alrighty, friends, that is all that Miss Chaney has today. Miss Chaney just really wanted to focus on writing our team numbers and being able to recognize our team numbers and identifying a number that is one more. Because next week we are going over entirely brand new things, and we're going to be skip counting by tens and going over numbers that are greater than 20. So I wanted to make sure that you guys had a foundational level of how to represent team numbers, because hopefully we can get the ball rocking and rolling. Alrighty, friends, do not forget to get on Zern. We're checking. Please send pictures so I know that you're working hard. Again, this is how I track your weekly enrichment progress and your engagement. If I don't receive anything from you, if Miss Ribeiro doesn't receive anything from you, if Miss Razul does not receive anything from you, then we don't know that you're working really hard. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to your teacher. Again, Zern, I see that a lot of you guys are doing your module packets that you received in the mail. Continue to do that, but you should also be looking at these videos. Also, don't forget that we do not have school on Friday. I'll miss you guys. Don't forget to send me pictures. Bye. Oh, and don't forget small groups that are happening tomorrow. If you got a message about a small group, message your teacher back. Alrighty, bye.